Hello! Hi, I'm Noelle and welcome to Noelle Knows channel. Dun 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 dun. Hey guys, so today I am going to be vlogging me preparing for online school or homeschool. If you don't know, I've been homeschooled for 3 years now, and this year I'm gonna be a senior in high school. But was homeschool one of the best things I ever did? Yes. Did it help me become a better person? Yes. Did it allow me to pursue my dreams of becoming a YouTuber? Yes. Homeschool helped me a lot, and every year I just like preparing and getting myself ready for the school year. Today I am going to be practicing a makeup look for fun for back to school. I want to try something new that I can do when I start school. I'm going to pick out outfits today, and then I'm gonna make sure I have all my supplies like my notebooks, pens, everything that I need, and something really exciting is going to be at the end of this video. So watch everything to find out what I'm going to be doing in the end of this video. I'm gonna be having a giveaway, so stay till the end. Okay, so right now I'm going to pick out an outfit. Before I do my makeup, I am going to be showing you guys what I come up with. Oh, and if you want to see my last video, I cleaned out my closet and I got to sell a lot of clothes on my closet sale on Instagram. It's at youknow.ph. Check it out if you want to buy my pre-loved items. But yeah, so I'm gonna be picking out an outfit right now. I have no idea. I'm gonna try this out. I see this a lot on Pinterest where they have like a sweater. They wear this underneath so that the collar shows up in the sweater, if you get what I mean. Okay, so I picked out an outfit. I never wore something like this before, but I like it. It's giving me some high school schoolgirl vibes, and I'm kind of loving it. I'm gonna show it to you right now. I have a blue collared shirt. I have a sweater, a blue sweater. I'm wearing this gray skirt. For jewelry, I think I'll go with something light. Okay, I think that is cute. So right now I'm gonna do a makeup look. Yeah, I want to try something different. I'm gonna try a more natural looking makeup look that you guys can follow when you go back to school. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys that right now. So while I do my makeup, I am going to be answering some of your questions about online school or homeschool. Okay, so before we start with the first question, I'm going to be spraying my Mario Badescu facial spray, and then I'm going to be using my L'Occitane moisturizer. So the first question is, what is the best thing about online school? A little backstory. The reason why I did online school and homeschool is because I wanted to pursue YouTube and things that I actually want to do in the future and things that could benefit me in the future. But the best thing about homeschool or online school is that I can focus on things that I actually want to do, and I'm not limited to the classroom, or I'm not put in a box. So homeschool really helped me think outside of the box, become more resourceful with my materials and what I have, and I got to learn so many more things that I wouldn't get to learn in regular school. But yeah, that is one of my favorite things about online school. Okay, so before the second question, I'm going to be putting my concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. How many hours of school a day do you do, and what time do you start and end school? The approximate time that I start school is 8:30, and then I end at 12 or 12:30. It really depends on how much schoolwork I need to do. So if I need to do a lot, I would probably start at 7:30 or 8. It just really depends, but that is the approximate time. Okay, so before we start with the next question, I'm going to be putting on blush. This is the creamy all over paint in the shade Daffodil, and this is from BLK Cosmetics, so we're gonna use that today. How do I organize my schedule? Okay, if you're planning to make a schedule, which I think is very important, you can check out my all about homeschool video. I put tips there for homeschool, so you can check that out. I'll leave it up here. So how do I organize my schedule? It really depends on you. You're the only one who can make your schedule because you know how much work you can do. But for me, 2 subjects or 3 subjects a day. But the reason why I do so little is because I do a lot in those 3 subjects or 2 subjects. So I get a lot done in that day as much as possible. But then again, there's no specific formula or structure that I use, but yeah, that's normally what I do. Okay, how do you cope with homeschooling? Okay, so before we answer that question, I am going to be using the Hoola bronzer in Caramel from Benefit, and I am going to be putting just a little bit of bronzer near my cheeks. When I first started homeschool, for me, I honestly really loved it as soon as I started because I didn't have the best experience with being in regular school, so homeschool was honestly not a problem with me. It is a transition, especially if you really did like regular school. I learned over the years that homeschool is different for everybody, and you just have to find a way to make your environment your own and a place where you feel happy with when you study. Okay, I'm going to be starting with my eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. There's so many beautiful shades in here, and it smells like chocolate, so that's a plus. How do I not get distracted? So there are many ways to get distracted, especially if you're homeschooled, but what I do is that I use a Pomodoro timer, and that makes me work in intervals. I talk about this more in depth in my other video, in my homeschooling video. You can check it out. I explain it there, but technically you work for a certain amount of time and then you take a break for a certain amount of time. So yeah, I feel like that works for me because it just keeps me focused on trying to finish in that amount of time. Okay. That is all the questions that I'll be answering today. But since I'm not yet done with my makeup look, I am going to be just continuing my look and showing you guys what I'm gonna use. Okay, so for this eyeshadow look, I used milk chocolate for my crease, and then I'm gonna be using triple fudge on my lash line. Because I don't like eyeliner, but I like the look of a natural liner, so I use this just to, I don't know, make my eye pop. I just see a difference and I just like it better. It puts more definition on your eye, and that's what I really like. So I've been doing that. It's a new thing that I've been doing and I love it. So it just makes my eye go like that. I don't know if you see a difference, but here, and see, it's like it creates more definition. I'm so bad at eyeliner, so this is like perfect because you can just like smudge it if you mess up, and then I get a little more and then I just connect it. It just makes my eyes look more like, you know. I'm going to be using this liquid highlighter. This is from Glossier. If you wanna see more of my favorite products, you can check out my quarantine favorites video. Okay, so I'm just putting that highlighter in all the highest points of my face, my nose, and my cupid's bow. Okay, next. So I am going to be curling my lashes. And I'm going to be putting this Glossier mascara. Yeah, I'm just gonna put most of the product towards the corner of my eye, like the end, instead of the inner corner. It puts more definition here. And since we put a wing, it'll look so much better. So I put more product towards the end. Okay, so there we go. So that is the eye look, and then just to finish off this look, I'm going to be putting my Glossier gloss, and this is my favorite, but I'm not gonna put it all over. I'm just gonna put it here, and then go like that, and then just spread that out just a bit. So yeah, this is my back to school makeup look, and I'm so glad. I am loving how this look turned out, and I tried some new things, so yeah, I'm very happy with it. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys some of the materials I already have. So the first thing that's very important are my notebooks. So for homeschool, some people prefer typing in a Google Docs or a Microsoft Word document, but for me, I prefer writing because it makes you remember the information so much better when you write. So I have, how many notebooks? So I have 6 notebooks, one for English, science, history, math, Bible, and my last notebook is for my strand. And for my strand, I'm going to be taking ABM, which is business. So yeah, that's all my notebooks. And the last thing that I want to show you guys is my pencil case with all my pens that I need. This pencil case is actually my merch. You can buy this pencil case on my closet sale. It's on Instagram, and the username is @yuno.ph, and I have shirts as well. You can check them out. But yeah, so I've been using this, but yeah, it's been really nice and handy because it's not too big and it's not too small, so you can fit whatever you need right in here. Okay, so that is the end of what I'm gonna share for my back to school preparation. So you've probably been waiting for the end of this video because it's going to be my first ever back to school giveaway. I am very excited for this giveaway because it's my first ever giveaway for back to school. And yeah, hopefully I get to do this every year. And I chose to do it this year because a lot of you guys are homeschooled, and I want to make your homeschool journey extra special and enjoyable. So that's why I decided to do it this year. So I'm going to be sharing what I'm going to be giving away and how to win it with my brother Maxon. Max! Maxie! Maxie! Max! Hi! Okay, so this time it is going to be really fun because we're gonna do a giveaway. Are you excited?
Yeah.
So I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to be giving away. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna show to them the first item. Item? What is this? What's that?
I don't know. A basket.
It's a lunchbox. So I have this lunchbox.
A lunchbox?
Yeah, it's a lunchbox. I'm going to be giving away a lunchbox, and yeah, so I want you guys to be safe all the time. So we have hand sanitizer. Okay, next thing, what's this?
A mask.
It's a mask. Show them. So this is a cloth mask, so it could match any of your outfits. Okay, you want to show them this? Okay, so you guys have a chance to win my Noe Fam Yuno pencil case. This is my merch, and with that, I have 2 patches.
What?
From my new merch line.
What is a patches?
Okay, and I have 2 black pens for you guys, 2 pencils, and a rainbow pen. This is so fun. I used to love this when I was in regular school. And all of that is coming with your pencil case. So with the patches, and since I have 1 merch item already, I thought I might include a second merch item. So you got a blue Noe Fam shirt. You can put your patches also here, like 1 patch here and 1 patch for your pencil case. But yeah, I decided to give you guys a Noe Fam shirt. Yeah, you show them. Okay, so you get a tumbler. This is a pink tumbler. I love this color. So this is a reusable cup, and I feel like this can be very helpful, especially when you're in online class. You can have this sitting there and you can take a sip of water or even coffee. This is amazing. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have a unicorn calendar for you guys. So there's the date and it's so pretty, and the date. So this is really cute. 1, 2, 3.
Surprise!
Okay, so we have sticky notes folder. This has many post-its in it, a notepad. This is what it looks like in the back. So this is really cool to put your to-do list down and your notes if you want.
1, 2, 3. Surprise!
So you get this notebook, and it says, when nothing goes right, go left. So inspirational.
When Congratulations.
So inspirational.
1, 2, 3, surprise!
I have a few makeup products for you guys that I've been loving. So this is blush. I love blush. So
I love blush.
I have Happy Skin blush for you guys, and I love blush, so I decided to include that. And the next, ooh. And the next makeup product is eyeshadow. This has two favorite colors that I really like for my eyes. And if you saw me do the makeup look a while ago, you can definitely copy what I did with this palette. So it has a brown shade and a black shade for your eyeshadow eyeliner look, which I just did earlier. Okay, so the last and most favorite thing about this giveaway, I really love this one.
1, 2, 3, surprise!
I'm giving away a power bank. I feel like this is very, very useful, especially if you're doing online school. You can charge your phone, and oh, I think you can charge your laptop with this too. So this is very, I know, right? This would really help with your online classes, and I'm very excited. So that is gonna be the giveaway. The mechanics are: number 1, subscribe. Second one, you have to like this video. And third, you have to comment down below what you're excited about in this new chapter of you being online school, and if it's your first time this year. If you want more chances of winning, you can head over to my Instagram and like my giveaway post. You have to follow me, and you have to tag friends in the comment section down below on that post. So good luck. I will be announcing the winner in this date. And yeah, good luck. I can't wait, and I'm so excited for this giveaway. So yeah, it would be so awesome if you would go down below and press that subscribe button and give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also comment down below what you want me to do for my next video. And remember, the more you learn, the more you